Let's learn where to put negative sign and where to put positive sign when we multiply looking the powers. So here minus 1 cube. Now what we need to remember is if the power is odd, then it will be minus sign. If the power is even, then it will be plus sign. Very simple way. So here power is odd, so it will be minus sign. So minus 1, that is the answer. 1 when we multiply 3 times or 100 times also it will be 1. But what we need to see is the negative sign. So it is odd power, so it will be minus. Here power is even. This is even, so it will be plus 1. Here power is 23, which is odd number. 23 is a odd number, so answer is minus 1. So this also 3 is odd number, so it is minus sign. That's all.